how to fix Minecraft crash error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just right click here, go to task manager, then go to startup. Now close all the disable all the applications that you don't want to start when you start your PC. And after that, go to settings, type here apps and features, click on it. And now once you're here, all you need to do just type Xbox game bar and click on it. And first, before that, just make sure you are searching on all drivers, and then click advanced options, and then click terminate, and then click reset. You will lose your Xbox game bar data, but your problem must be fixed. And that's it. Then restart your PC and try again, and you'll find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.